This is being nice.
This is being nice.
What are your Barbies doing?
They're awake.
They're awake?
Yeah.
Did they take a nap with you?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, go back to sleep with them.
Okay.
Okay.
Good night, Bobby.
Good night, Barbies.
Be nice.
You gotta go to sleep with them. How do you go to sleep?
Just bed.
Yeah, show me. Do your snoring. Do it some more.
Awake!
You're awake.
Bobby, wake!
Say, wake up, Barbies.
You awake? You awake?
Is she awake?
Yeah.
What's your name?
My dad will hear it.
Skylar Paris.
What's his name?
Her name is, I don't know, Frankenstein?
What?
Cleopatra? I forget.
Bobby Pro.
Skylar. Skylar Paris what? What's your name? Skylar Paris Deputy?